Have you ever had your favorite piece of clothing hopelessly spoiled by washing? Washing can be a real pain, especially when you need to deal with delicate and hand-wash-only clothing. And it gets even more frustrating when you're on the move. Meet Dolphy, the world's smallest washing device that cleans your clothes with the power of ultrasonic technology. Dolphy is just the size of a smartphone, perfectly portable to fit in any bathroom or travel luggage. Using advanced ultrasonic cleaning technology, Dolphy carefully cleans even the most delicate fabrics without damaging or discoloring, ever. No rubbing, no whirling or stretching, no fading colors, no wearing off. Your favorites will be thoroughly and carefully cleaned from the inside of the fabric fibers by the power of ultrasound. The process efficiently removes dirt and odors. Your clothing will become ultra-fresh after ultrasonic cleaning. And Dolphy is so compact that it can always be with you in all your exciting travels and life adventures. Wherever you go, Dolphy can too. How does it work? It's amazingly simple. Just put your clothes in any sink or waterproof container. Add water, detergent, put Dolphy inside, then switch the device on and enjoy your free time. You'll see Dolphy glowing blue as it softly cleans your clothes. It works like magic. After about 30 minutes, your clothes are clean and fresh. Rinse them, hang them out to dry, and you can slip again into your favorites. They will look like new even after many washing cycles. Dolphy's innovative technology has been developed and tested by MPI Ultrasonics Engineering Laboratories in Switzerland. The heart of the device, a powerful transducer, creates and emits ultrasonic waves that are multi-mode, wideband, and progressive. These precisely modulated sound waves travel through water and form microscopic high-pressure bubbles. This process is called cavitation. The tiny bubbles then implode, creating millions of microjet liquid streams. Those invisible yet powerful streams safely wash away all the dirt from the fabric. Dolphy is great for your personals, silk, lace, cashmere, everything that you would normally hesitate to throw into a washing machine. With Dolphy, you can forget about hand washing, damaged clothes, and the hassles of laundry while you travel. Enjoy freshness and freedom with Dolphy.
From Edison's times to our days, the lamp socket didn't change at all. 138 years have passed, but we still twist. What if we say that game has changed? You don't need to twist anymore. Just one click. Introducing the Mag Bulb, a revolutionary system which consists of 2 parts and allows installing bulbs in one click. And it's all because of magnets, of course. With MagBulb, you no longer need to push and twist the bulb in awkward lampshades. No more extracting broken bulbs using special tools. No pain for people with arthritis. And all those sufferings happen to you when you're balancing high up. Stop it now and start using MagBulb. Please support us on Kickstarter.
Introducing Vortex, the world's first environmental simulator for PC gaming. Don't just see the drop-in, feel it. Vortex works with any game. rip across the map. Vortex reads images on the screen and matches them to the sound files in real time. The result is cool or warm air, bringing you inside the game like never before. Every gust, every explosion, even the heat from dragonfires. Try Vortex now and be blown away.
Titan is an extraordinary underwater drone that will allow you to freely explore the ocean, flying through the water to record every epic moment. The ultra-portable, user-friendly drone has 150 meters of maximum working depth. So even if you're not a professional underwater documentary photographer, Titan can satisfy your deep-sea desires. A 3000 lumen LED ensures that you will capture epic underwater moments, even in dark environments. For the photography enthusiast, you can use Titan's powerful 4K UHD camera with a 160-degree ultra-wide-angle lens to see underwater creatures like never before in rich detail and color. The ingenious 6-thruster power system designed by the Titan team enables the drone to fly through the ocean at up to 2 meters per second, hover underwater, and perform extraordinary feats of stability with 360-degree movement. You can pilot Titan from the included controller or with your phone or tablet using our app. A built-in rechargeable battery pack allows up to 4 hours operating time, so you will have plenty of time to enjoy the underwater world. While you pilot the drone, you can connect to VR goggles that will give you an immersive underwater experience. If you want your friends to see your adventure stories, select 1080p real-time streaming in the Titan app and share epic moments to social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram with just one click. No matter if you're underwater filming, diving, boating, or fishing, Titan is your best choice.
It's a normal day.
Young son drowned over the weekend while kayaking in northern Minnesota.
You decide to go out on your kayak. Your lucky fishing pole, your loyal dog. The cold, open water full of hungry fish is all you need. What can go wrong? YouGoWare, the waterproof life jacket for your phone, made with Yugo Zip technology, lab tested. Yugo provides a secure and reliable feeling wherever you are, under any circumstance, keeping your valuables safe, dry, and above water. But most of all, Yugo can save your life.
911, what's your emergency?
When a life jacket isn't enough. YouGoWare. Always try.
Welcome to a whole new way to mask in only 90 seconds. Download the Foreo app and pair your UFO or UFO Mini device to it. With the UFO app, you can customize the intensity of the T-sonic pulsations, control the LED light intensity, and set up heating and cooling. After getting familiar with your new beauty gadget, put the mask on the UFO, seal it with the plastic ring, and press once and hold to start the Make My Day smart treatment. Using the hyperinfusion technology, UFO instantly warms to open pores and enhance absorption of mask ingredients, or, depending on the treatment, it cools to lift and firm skin. Together with powerful T-sonic pulsations, this technology infuses nutrients deeper into the skin. Featuring full-spectrum LED light, UFO offers 3 targeted photofacials in one simple at-home solution. Blue LED promotes circulation for a clearer, healthier-looking complexion. Green brightens a dull complexion and evens the skin tone. And red erases signs of aging for smoother, younger-looking skin.